Welcome to Tech Research. If you are looking YouTube premium subscription, so stop, watch this video and save much more money. In this video, I will show you how to get YouTube premium subscription absolutely free and how many days we are receiving this offer. Let's start demonstration on my Mac screen. Open here one of my email address. I create multiple Gmail account and YouTube account as well. So enter here YouTube channel and type here research rocks, enter. So first link is display here. You should please subscribe here as well and tech research as well. You should subscribe both YouTube channel. And now point come here, how to get free of cost YouTube premium subscription. Open your YouTube account, click here, and then here option is showing purchase and membership. If you click here purchase and membership, boom, I'm eligible to access 2-month premium subscription absolutely free. If you click here learn more, all YouTube's no advertise, no disturbing, YouTube and YouTube music ad free offline and background as well. 2 months trial for 00 DKK, then you need to provide so and so. Offer ends in 8 days. Channel anytime. So I'm receiving this offer 8 days ago in this particular YouTube channel and I have 2-month subscription absolutely free. Accordingly, I use this process again and again of different YouTube channel and access YouTube premium subscription absolutely free. Last 3 to 2 years continuously using this process. Just simply say here try for 2 months 00 DKK. So here you need to add here PayPal or credit card, debit card. So I just simply add here my PayPal, buy, continue, provide here the PayPal email address, agree. So today I need to pay here 00. My billing starting date is a 4th of October. Today is a 4th of August, September and then October. Then buy now. And afterward payment is 100% complete. If I click here profile picture, so premium benefits, and here showing the premium benefits I am eligible to access. Even the premium.dk is also showing here in the screen. Using this process you can very easily get YouTube premium subscription absolutely free. Just requirement, you should always use a different YouTube account and get this subscription using these tips and tricks. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks, our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.